name is Legon Lady, said your mom in Tracy Wache. And then the and someone just say circulate a day a fan more man to say this Legon be a yaw or the try yam for the videos and rap or not working again Japan. Ever pop born nature so Papa no saga and buy a miss born someone to somebody can hear and it just what's in the damn one didn't see me book a kaye and some church papers and documents are war any name. As I say, no Ghana for the one a children at the two a few one of all because of Sika when ya infantry a one apartment no a multi and a man if you want to know when here that is a muchima or the knee up chair a year actually would trade at a woman and a walk up partner. Now I said there and sell no ever and then another grown out so we say, hey, this is a one landlady and a dear. And here our papa pay and they just say the bona as no even say aha or then I'm not also here I just say and I say papa no jai sika wo de emma papa no jai and no ma wo there wo de ebre no nuti and I must say wako bankrupt won't me entry the rent nuti wo de every one na ya ma me hwe say the Ghana for ano aye wo meka na wo man no just say this are their anchi bibia wo mani boss of wo ebe kan kwade na chese wo se wo ma bonten na wo me che Ghana for emu se de bi o enye se tua na wo ntimi entua ni rent enunti e na ama no every one ma wo kwa kopie mu e wo ba bifufo emom onu an na de ne pe e no pese wonye de won free eye wo no enye se bia wo free one say like onko ho no mu bi me ye no besan ye akọ because e de no eye wo no an dia entimi mfa mo bi bonafide property a wo no an e na de edi hima e wo so na ebusia for video ni no wo chire ma no wo bisa say sa e bia ya wa papa tena no wo mo sha a rented apartment. Biaya was they say wako kimu or one sha a rented apartment and they Ghana for a tour when the new house on which the woman say a danya laptop a chiaka and your rented place or papa who adjusted the Guna a china just a rumor and then I move from them say yeah mammy Tracy Wache we're free in East Legon if you want I could kimu or a year ashal buchino na and yes and at a minimum corner and your rented place minimum a year is a danya or one casa up na MC for me to shake you and run it back.
No.
See, your uncle, he doesn't have I hadn't seen me renting.
I was all renting.
I see a for a deck I carry a renting. Now, how come soon see me fear back on about 3 times?
No, if you get away, I
and I'm renting and no be a I'll be video how come on Quasia phobia.
So, warrant her.
Maybe rent if you fetch on a pool.
Oh, Mama, come on. Yeah.
Fine, bra. If you are renting. Celebrity police. Who the Shamio? Who the Muslim which I call Shami?
Fancy our brandy.
I said, me renting and near Bro.
I'm
see, for that way, you want to be to me or me dream. You dream me, who you to me. Carita furniture more sphinx. But you see me behind them, and you are me dreaming. Bacho, if you're rabbit too. If you're I'm black.
Ghana for say we dey Muhammad TV mo hunu bi to na wo dey nyina ye ko ye no bi ehunu ebi na woni say Ghana ha no say die wo be a public figure na da what I do no ma ba bontin ko ade ni wo be an so e be twe won sem no sre ene abase wo be a be mu ehunu de etue mu ama chese de ntia ama wa fi akobi ana wa fi bi akosi na nka we de anka nipa na the private life nka we de hu yen because engofo bebre to free wo mu efie e kokotena different environment and I say go for free different place e ko another place na so ni nyina mu no enya de say e di eni esi wo mo eso e ko ka say de na nipa no 2 year ontimi ntua ne rent and I say e ji ezika na say like the ocean one they say we ja ne hwe na so kokko yi obi a dan da wo de wo say wo be ba bontin wo be show off wo mo obi a wo bibia emu edia eni esi ya na ebe this year wa ye hwe face ba cha wa ye na dwen say nka wonya de say wo be so obi a ensem so na so na no entimi enda because Ghana for so anu na enti ye de no so ne dia da ama na ye enti wo say bibia Ghana for ebe ka bia no womra bontin so eye so say want na wo ma dudo na fafofo na ne kwa yo mo fa ne 6 na ne 9 say eni so na ente esam enu to watch the Ghana for say wo no still na wo de no hu oyo wo ga I boss lady wo no a obi antimi wetu na bia so obi antimi mefa ne tina bia entina eye so that's to me pa oto one me wo so wonye de won sisa and say won sakra wo environment mu enuti na ama no free home ne no nkyere say won san ya na say won timi tua eho eka obetimi tua pana bia ya wo krampo no enye rented place ne mum apartment a wo mo ato de atua ka na eno de je Ghana for do na say ekire no ene ebehunu say no kure anasa enye no kure because this level ho also dia na won sense na nkrata na den na do be to abonten as won kire mu de ntia watu di free eho no nyina no omususu say ebon a ene ye bete ne kankan nti ye wo men ngwan de wo mani eda form a wo mo hwe say ampa say trace ba chinsem a working no kwanso na say de wo kan ye nukure bi ewu ana say nukure bi eni na abusia for ye di esi say the tracy esi no islego hono no enya de say isika na akwa atwe a nti wontimi ne be ye ntwe na wo dem new place as say wo akwa akoto nti wo say wo susu no won kwada wo kakra won fo do so wo hwe ni nyina nti so wo free islego na wo say won susu de won hwe hono kakra hwehwe ntutu ni o mahu say de won so etimi de etie no fa won so vicinity no and environment won twa hono susu me be che Ghana for na nyese de ye dwen no na etie na abusia for wadwen chefa ensemi no susu betimi de abetu ida otuma GH comment section bi mo so like videos na share all social media platforms so following your IG page and your Twitter page otuma GH_. If it's kapa and that's an idea, share it with